Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, we find out how often trends continue after pullbacks on a 5-minute time frame of euro against the US dollar. About 3 months ago, I tested 200 times how often trends continue after pullbacks on a 1-hour time frame of euro against the US dollar. And based on this test, we found that about 64% of the time, trends continue after pullbacks. So one of the top comments of this video was, can we see this on another time frame or different financial instrument? So for this video, testing it on the same instrument, euro against the US dollar, but on a 5-minute time frame instead of a 1-hour time frame. Now, to test how often trends continue after pullbacks, we have to define what the trend is objectively, what a valid pullback is objectively, what a valid trend continuation is objectively, and what a trend failure is. So how we're going to do this is use the Trade Pro Rejection Zone Indicator Cloud, which is this green and red cloud, which will tell us the trend direction based on the color of the cloud. So if the cloud is green, that's an uptrend. If the cloud is red, that's a downtrend. Now, to define what a valid pullback is, we're simply going to classify a pullback as when price goes into the cloud, and a valid continuation as after price has gone into the cloud, it continues the trend based on the cloud color for a new high or a new low. So new lower low in a downtrend, new higher high in an uptrend after pulling back into the cloud. Okay. And a trend failure would be when price pulls back into the cloud and then the cloud flips to the opposite color before the trend can continue for a new higher high or new lower low. So let's go over a few examples before I test this 200 times in a row so it makes sense what I'm actually testing. So cloud is green, that's going to be uptrend. Price pulls back, so we see down here, pulls back into a green cloud, and it continues for a new higher high. That's a valid trend continuation, so that's success. We have another pullback right here. Trend continues, new higher high, cloud stays green, that's a success. Another pullback into the green cloud, continues, new higher high, that's valid, that's a successful trend continuation. So we have 3 successes here and then a failure here. So we have another pullback, trend fails to make a higher high before the cloud flips red. So cloud flips red, that's considered a failure. So 3 successes, 1 failure. All right, makes sense? Now, cloud is red. Price pulls back, goes sideways for a bit, makes a new lower low. That's a success. Then pulls back again, fails to continue before the cloud flips green. That's a failure. So we have 1 success, 1 failure here. Cloud flips green, pulls back into cloud, continues higher high, success. Pullback, continuation for a higher high, another success. Another pullback into the cloud, continuation higher high, success. Pullback, continuation, success. Pullback, continuation, success. Pullback, continuation, success. Pullback, larger, continuation, success. A lot of success in a row here. And then again, here doesn't pull back into the cloud, there's nothing there. Here we have a failure. Pulls back, never continues to take out the high, never creates a higher high before the cloud flips to red. So that's a failure. Now we're in a downtrend, cloud is red. Pull back into cloud, continuation, success. 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 Hopefully you get the point. We're looking for pullbacks and continuations based on a set of objective criteria here. So I'm going to be testing this 200 times in a row and telling you guys the results to see if trading with the trend puts the odds in your favor, because I do preach on my channel a lot to trade with the main trend and to enter in on pullbacks. So this goes perfectly in line with what I preach on my channel. So if this doesn't put the odds in your favor, then everything that I say on my channel is just a lie. But I have a feeling that we're going to find success here, just like we did on the last video with 64% success rate of trend continuations. So hopefully we get a close result to the last time on the 1 hour time frame, on the 5 minute time frame as well. But let's find out right now. I'm going to test it 200 times and we'll see what the result is. The results are in after 200 tests to see how often trends continue after pullbacks on a 5 minute time frame of euro against the US dollar. And the results are remarkably similar to the last test on the 1 hour time frame. We had 127 trend continuation moves and 73 trend failures. 63% of the time, the trend continued after a pullback, which greatly puts the odds in the favor of trend following traders, expecting that the trend will continue out on a pullback. So if we take a look and compare here, hourly time frame test, euro against the US dollar, done 3 months ago, 128 trend continuation, 72 trend failures, giving it a 64% success rate. And this time, 127, 73 with 63%. It's pretty much the exact same. So remarkably close, and really kind of solidifies that trading with the trend does indeed put the odds in your favor. Expecting that a trend will continue after a pullback is the way to go, and that's kind of verifies everything that I preach on my channel. Trading with the trend is the best way to go. Entering in at a discount on a pullback is the way to go. It's going to be your most consistent and successful way to go about trading, in my opinion. And it's so simple. You, of course, do need to create quite a few rules to put in place, but just having that general theme of trading with the trend, getting in on pullbacks with a discounted price, and expecting the trend will continue, that's kind of the most important core to everything that I teach. So good to see that this does, in fact, hold up on 5 minute time frame, hourly time frame. We'll go to another different instrument next, so perhaps gold or Bitcoin, but I expect to see a very similar thing where trends do, in fact, continue more times than not and give you a great edge in the market, which is what trading is all about. So great to see this, and that will kind of wrap things up for this video. Make sure that you guys like the video, comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my Patreon page where I do have a trading strategy script that can auto trade a strategy very similar to this with pullbacks into a cloud or an EMA cloud. And with that strategy script in particular, the forward testing and live trading of that strategy, it is a complete strategy, has shown profitability, consistency in a good amount of time. So this type of trading is indeed successful based on the information that has been provided to me and everything that I've seen in the markets over my 9 years of trading. So I haven't found something that I like more than trading with the trend, entering in on pullbacks, trying to get in at a discount, expecting continuation of the trend. Really simple. So check that out, Patreon page if you're interested. And also, if you are not, Bybit affiliate link for trading crypto. Bybit is having KYC mandatory soon for withdrawals starting May 8th. So if you guys are switching from Bybit, head on over to BitGet, one of the only exchanges that does not require KYC. So if you're a US customer, then you won't be able to use Bybit anymore because you do need to do KYC. I've already enabled KYC. I'm still using Bybit, but for those of you who can't use Bybit because you can't pass KYC, then BitGet, I am working with them right now trying to get a promo for my subscribers. I want a perk or some type of incentive for my subscribers so that when you use my affiliate, you actually get something additionally other than just using the affiliate link and getting nothing for it. So something like a trading fee discount, or you get money added to your account for free when you deposit, something like that where you have a perk to use my affiliate link. I'm working with them on that right now, so we'll update that in the near future. But thank you guys for watching and have a great day.